Semi-gantry crane overview. Semi-gantry cranes offer a versatile lifting solution that combines the stability of a gantry crane with the mobility of a mobile crane. One side is supported by a single leg, reducing space requirements and increasing operational efficiency. These cranes feature an adjustable height, making them adaptable to various lifting needs and facility conditions. Main types of semi-gantry cranes for indoor and outdoor use. 1. Single girder semi-gantry cranes. These cranes feature a single girder design supported by a single leg on one side, providing a cost-effective solution for lifting operations. Applications suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, particularly in facilities where space constraints or uneven ground necessitate a compact and stable lifting solution. 2. Double girder semi-gantry cranes. Designed with two girders supported by a single leg or two legs on one side, offering increased stability and capacity for heavier loads. Applications commonly used in outdoor environments like construction sites or outdoor storage yards, where robust lifting capabilities are required. Economical semi-gantry crane with CD or emmed wire rope hoists. Features economical CD or emmed wire rope hoists integrated with semi-gantry crane structures, balancing cost efficiency with reliable lifting performance. Applications ideal for various industrial settings, providing efficient material handling solutions while adhering to budget constraints. Indoor and outdoor semi-gantry cranes. Indoor use facilitates efficient material handling within manufacturing facilities, warehouses, and workshops with limited overhead space. Outdoor use handles heavy materials and equipment in open yards, construction sites, and loading docks, adapting to uneven terrain and weather conditions. Key benefits. They are cost-effective, with lower installation costs compared to full gantry cranes. Their compact design is ideal for environments with limited overhead clearance or uneven ground. They can be used indoors and outdoors, seamlessly adapting to different operational settings. Maintenance is simplified due to their straightforward installation and upkeep requirements. Typical applications. Semi-gantry cranes excel in outdoor yards for handling materials in open storage areas. They are also efficient in manufacturing settings for moving heavy machinery, components, or raw materials. In construction projects, they facilitate the lifting of materials, and in warehouses, they optimize storage and retrieval operations. Semi-gantry cranes are tailored to provide efficient and adaptable lifting solutions across diverse industrial environments.